Hi guys, it's me again, Zainab. Let me show you something here. Look at this cute and my favorite flower. There's some more. Look guys. I look so cute. There's a cat. Look, look, look. Where is it? It's gone now. It's okay. Oh, I look so cute. Hi guys. Look at this beach plant. It is cute. Yeah? You know that plant was beach plant. You wanna see our tree? Look at my tree. Where is it? Oh, it's too tall. Let's go. Come on, let's go inside and see my BMW. Here is it. Look at the cutie mark. Means BMW. The boys. But I don't really care. That's my sister's cycle.